YouTube? It's your girl Jaysana Maria, and I'm back again with another YouTube video. Okay, so as you guys can see by the title, I'm gonna be doing like a. I don't know. What I want to do like a. I don't think I'm gonna do like a weekend vlog. I think I'm gonna just do like a day of my life and just record everything that I do today. Don't mind me. I'm gonna put it wrong, but but my room is messy, as you guys can see, and as you guys seen by in the title. Let me just hold my camera, cause yeah. But I'm gonna be recording myself clean up. I already straightened up a little bit because my room was a mess. But I cleaned up some stuff, like it's like still a mess, but it's like enough for me to record to post. But like as I see, like all these clothes on the floor, they're dirty clothes. So I'm about to fold up these clean clothes, put my dirty clothes in it. Well, I'm about to sort them out. I'm about to start washing. I'm about to start washing my clothes. And so then I think I want to change my room around so y'all gonna be just with me with this whole process. Me just cleaning. I don't know if I want to title it like a clean with me or what, but I need a video to post. So after I get done cleaning all this stuff, I do have a video I'm gonna post. But I did go get my nails done yesterday. So I had recorded that whole process of me getting my nails done and stuff like that leading up to me go get my nails done. And yep, I still have these nails on. And stuff like that. So yeah. I don't have nothing planned today. I'm not leaving this weekend. I'm gonna stay in the house this weekend. Cause I know I usually go to my best friend's house, but I'm staying in the house this weekend. I'm not leaving. So yeah. I do miss my granny. I could go to my granny house, but I'm just stay home. Cause I ain't been up. My granny ain't been wanting to come over our house for a little minute, and I have not been up there. Don't y'all don't mind the question of my eyes. Like it has been. It's freaking 10:30, and I just been in bed. So after I get the clean my room, I edit. I'm gonna go brush my teeth, get in the shower, and stuff like that. I put some clothes on, even though I'm not doing nothing today. I might record some other videos later on, cause like I told you, I need some videos to post. Let me look at my freaking notes, cause I have video ideas in my notes that I could just do. So let me look at my notes, see what I got in there. I'm gonna look at water bottles. Hold on. Damn my life. I could make some. Oh, my freaking battery is dead. I knew it was dead. I knew it was on 2 boards. I didn't know it was like close to 1 board. So I'm probably with this. I had to change the battery again, y'all. I just changed the battery like 2 times. It started recording and it's still dead. Um, do I want to record a cook with me later? I could actually take it to the store. I can get like some chicken and stuff. Don't mind lying, because I did see like the sun just moved or something. So right, it's not all that good. A cook with me. Or don't want to try to do like a morning routine, because this is like on a weekend morning routine. This is what I do. Like if I'm at home, I wake up, I just straighten up my room. Like my room was a mess this time, but I usually like to straighten up my room, brush my teeth, get in the shower, stuff like that to get my day started. I don't know what kind of video I want to do for y'all today, y'all. I did not want to record for y'all. I did not want to record. I already made up my bed and stuff. Okay, I'm all on Instagram and stuff. Let me just finish doing it. So I'm about to change this battery real quick and set y'all guys up. Y'all just gonna watch me finish cleaning up my room and stuff like that. And change my room around. So yeah. Like I said, I'm about to put a bra on. Please do not mind. These saggy ass titties, don't mind them. I hate wearing bras. But since I'm recording, I have to put one on. So yeah. And I'm gonna put some pants on too because these shorts is too little. Well, they're little, but not too little. But my butt is kind of keep poking out of them, like if I bend over. So yeah, I'm gonna put some pants on over these shorts. So yeah, I'll be back. They just lost focus. I don't know. I don't know. Hold on, y'all. There we go. Okay, y'all. So I don't think I did my intro. So let me do it. Let me start it over. Hey YouTube, it's your girl Jasana Lamaria, and I'm back again with another YouTube video. Yes, yeah, I'm back. I do my intro. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, press the notification bell so you'll be aware whenever I post. Also, don't forget to hit that description box. Yeah, following all my social media accounts. They linked down below. Don't forget to follow me on don't forget to follow my business page at Divas_Dreamhouse. Divas with a Z, not an S. Have not been posting on there. Let me see the last time I posted on my freaking business page. Last time I posted was May 28th, but I was just showing that I was rocking my bracelet. But last time I actually posted some products was December 14th. So yeah, I gotta get back on there. I need a matter of fact, what I might do, just I record me taking some inventory pictures. I take some pictures of these stuff I've been told I have them AirPod cases and charms. I need to take pictures of them and stuff like that. So I'm gonna take some inventory pictures, and I could be watching me do that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So back to the music for y'all because I'm playing music on my end, and it's gonna be fast paced on your end as well. Cause yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. about to do is clean off this stand next to my bed. I'm gonna clean off these two stands next to my bed and throw all this stuff away and all this stuff like that. I don't have nowhere to sit y'all up at. We gotta be able to see me do that stuff. So what I'm gonna do is be back once I am done. I can't get it off. But yeah, I'm about to clean off this stuff. And then I'm gonna just come back once I'm sorting out my clothes and throwing these stuff in the washer and stuff like that. So yeah, and like y'all seen when I was showing y'all the batteries, I was telling y'all that I was putting my batteries in my camera on the charger. So yeah. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So I didn't even finish cleaning my room. Like I told you I was to clean all that stuff up. I did not even touch nothing over there. I freaking got on TikTok. I came up with this idea. I want to cook today. I want to cook tonight. I'm doing cooking with me. Don't mind little dots right there. I don't know what it is. It's on my hands. But I just threw some chicken strips in the oven. I'm hungry. I just threw some chicken strips in the oven. I'm about to smoke. And watch some TV and eat. And then I'm gonna finish cleaning up and stuff like that once I am done eating and stuff. And then I'll be back with you guys later. Hey y'all, it's kind of dark. Okay, so I'm gonna just come over here. But hey y'all, I'm back. It's been hours later since y'all last saw me. But the last time I saw me, what was I doing? I was eating. And I got on eating, what I do? I came up here and got in a shower, and then I left my mom. Went to the store, went to Kroger's, and we went up to my granny house. And I had to go to Dollar Tree. Because I'm doing a cooking video for y'all tonight. So I gotta get the stuff I need to cook. I'm gonna be cooking and stuff like that, but I still have to go and put these clothes in the washer. So I'm gonna do that with y'all, and then yeah, I'll stand there. Yeah, I'm gonna just clean up the stand. I mean, not the stand. I need to clean up my stand. Still, I'm gonna do it on tonight. I'm not gonna vlog that part because I just want to hurry up and close out this video so I can start the other video. So yeah, so I'm about to sort these clothes out and then go take these loads to the washer so y'all enjoy the music. I'm about to play over this again. And yeah, like I said, don't mind the blur on the camera. It's something on my lens. I don't know. I be trying to, I wipe. I have 3 different lenses. Cause I bought 3 different cameras of the same camera. And all of them have like them spots. And I don't like it. But I like this. I like the lens. I like the wide angle. Like I see everything. Like if I take this off, y'all will not be able to see all this stuff. So that's why I be keeping it on for real. But let me switch you guys up because it's on this lens as well. It's the same lens. Okay, I have 3 different of the same camera. So it's on that lens too. I'm gonna try to switch y'all up on my TV stand. Who was that outside my house? Oh, my cousin's in here already. I don't think you know what's wrong. Who you think you is with them glasses on? Who you think you is with those glasses on?
You really want me to answer that?
Yep. Wanna get my YouTube?
I said, did you really want me to answer that?
Wanna get my YouTube?
Nope.
Oh, you wanna get on my YouTube? You act like my dad now because I try to put him on the camera.
Your dad is a social media guy. I ain't never been that.
I know. And that's what I'm saying. He looked like he was scared.
I don't know why he's scared.
Hey YouTube, it's your girl Desana Lamorgan. I'm back again with another YouTube video. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hey girl. But yeah, so I just want to tell you now I'm gonna be cooking. You know, cook with me. I was gonna do fried chicken, some rice, and biscuits. But I don't know, she went and bought some pizza. So I'm just gonna do just the wings. And they already rushing me to hurry up and cook. And it's only 7:40. They're rushing me. But I'm gonna put my oil in here and then wash the chicken. I already washed my hands. Wash this chicken and then yeah. Y'all gonna can see me through the whole process. Y'all not gonna really see my face once. Y'all not gonna really see my face once I'm washing the chicken and stuff like that. But yeah. Y'all couldn't see me put the oil in there. I'm not gonna help that. I'm gonna to Dana the whole jug. Just fill it up to we're supposed to fill it to the line. So yeah. Now I'm about to wash the chicken. And watch my movie. TV show. Okay, y'all, so I'm done washing the chicken. So now I'm about to season the chicken. I'm about to season the chicken and stuff like that. I'm gonna show you how the seasons that I'll be using. Okay, now y'all, so what I'm about to do is be dipping my chicken into the flour. Let me see if it's hot first. This thing can cut off. It should be hot by now. So I'm gonna be dipping them in here, the deep fryer, and yeah. Okay, so this chicken is done. This first roll, I'm gonna put it on a plate. Put it on my plate with my paper towel. I should have made some honey hot chicken. So that I didn't do those, so I got some. Okay, so. My camera just cut off. It's trying to say that my SIM card is full, but I just bought that SIM card and it usually take up a lot of storage. With that SIM card, I can record a lot of stuff. So I don't know why it's doing that. But if I do it again, I'm gonna just end it here. Yeah, end it when it cuts off again, and I just like insert pictures or whatever of my food I cooked. I'm probably got about me another SIM card tonight off Amazon. That's where I be getting my SIM cards from, off Amazon. I literally just started using it, that SIM card.